Guys, there's a hurricane. Not really, but tell them what we're having. Like what we're really having.
Just go out in the front.
No, but tell them what.
We're having hurricane winds here in Cornwall today.
Yeah. Except it's not a hurricane, but it's hurricane winds. Look at all. And if we need one of our neighbors, a shed just like whoa, just flew. Oh my god! It just flew.
Yeah, here it comes.
A shed just flew from one of our neighbors.
Look at that car's hood just opened up.
Yeah, it literally flew on the wall. It didn't have to fly it on the stone. Which it did, but it was really worse than the first time. Oh my god.
Yeah.
This is amazing. This is amazing. I love this storm. I love disasters.
There you go.
Oh my god. And there's gonna be a lot of damage today from the windstorm. So and there's gonna be a lot of damage. So it's gonna be bad. But I hope our house doesn't break. But I know it's not.
No, it should be good.
Yeah, our house should be good.
So now you stop it, and now look at the whole video now.
Yeah, but I know it's gonna already be good. I'm literally looking at it right now.
I know, but stop it. I want to see the video.
Like pause it or
Stop it. Video and
like, subscribe, click the bell. See you next video. Peace out.